To fix a Samsung front-load washing machine that's not spinning, several common issues should be considered. A pause or soak period in the wash cycle, power insufficiency or surcharge, drainage issues, or an open door can all prevent the machine from spinning. To solve the issue, first check for a pause or soak period in the wash cycle by pressing the start or pause button to ensure the cycle hasn't been accidentally paused. Give the washer some time, as a soak period may have been unintentionally included in the cycle. Next, check the power supply by using a voltmeter to verify that enough power is being supplied to the appliance, and compare it with a different appliance having similar power specifications. Ensure the fuse isn't faulty and that the circuit breaker in the power line hasn't tripped. Proper drainage is also crucial, so assess the drain hose installation to ensure it was done correctly. And check for clogs and blockages along the drain line and filter. Finally, make sure the door is closed, as the washer won't spin unless the door latch is secure. If the door can be opened, close it firmly and press the start or pause button. By addressing these potential issues, the problem can be easily resolved.